going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nike Dunk Low Argon. Let's get into it.
This is phase-ed music.
First, you're going to start out the box. Same normal Nike Dunk box. That's all white with the red Nike on top. Got your red Nike on this side. Same on this side. But let's get to the front of the box. And it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro QS for quick strike. And the colorway is Flash, White, Argon, Blue, and Flash. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much same as normal. Same normal stamp of approval right here on top of the box. Same normal cream tissue paper, nothing spectacular. But let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video. And that's Nike Dunk Low Argon. Alright, first of all, I just want to start off by saying this colorway is a very nice colorway. It's nothing that was a must cop for me. But since they kept dropping them over and over at different retailers, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try to cop these, see how they actually look in hand. And they're actually not bad. Could have been better in my opinion with the leather quality since it's a quick strike and for the price that they cost. But we'll get into that as we talk about the aspects of the shoe. As you can see, you got your it's like a baby blue and a royal blue throughout the whole upper of the shoe. You got that nice baby blue right here on the side and this leather. Same normal Dunk leather, nothing spectacular about this leather. So for a $130 price tag, you would expect Nike to give us the premium leather that we should get in the Nike Dunk Low Quick Strike. But of course we didn't. And this is a remake from the Japan exclusives that came out back in 2001. That quality, as I looked at those pictures online, that was a superb leather quality. And this right here is just leather, Nike leather Dunk quality that is just not good at all. So Nike, you definitely could have did better on that. Don't know if I'm keeping these in a collection because, like I said, overall this leather quality is not good. But let's continue with the aspects of the shoe. You still got that nice royal leather on the top of the toe. You got the baby blue on the front of the toe also. Coming to the side, you got the white Nike check and leather, that background and that royal blue colorway. Coming all the way to the back of the shoe, you got that Nike right here embroidered in that royal blue with the white on the heel of the shoe. You still got that nice royal blue, baby blue on the back of the heel. Also, coming back to the front of the shoe, you got this all white laces, no extra laces. So you just got your all white. You got your Nike right here on top of the tongue that's in this baby blue colorway on top of the tongue. Side of the shoe, you got this all white rubber on the side. Flip it to the bottom where you got that all nice baby blue rubber on the bottom. Overall, like I said, colorway could have been better. I mean, the leather quality could have been very better than this, but it's just okay. So, I mean, like I said, it's okay. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking. Do you think for $130, this quality on this leather should have been way better? Or do you think it's okay? Let me know down in the comments below. Me, I'm tripping. I don't like the leather quality, so I think they should have been $100 like the rest of the Dunks and not for the extra 30 bucks. But this was the right shoe. Let's get into the little shoe. Look the same exact way. You got it all baby blue and royal blue throughout the whole upper of the shoe with that white leather Nike check. White laces on the side. Coming to the back, you still got that back royal blue stitching on the back of the heel of the shoe. White rubber on the side. Then you got that baby blue on the bottom of the shoe. Like I said, overall the colorway is nice. Can't take away from the colorway, but the quality of the leather is just not there for me. I mean, but y'all let me know what y'all thinking. Could have done better with these Nike. I see why a lot of places are starting to drop them and they're kind of sitting because these are really not it. You know, it's okay. But we all know Dunk is a new phase right now, so everybody loves Dunk. So of course they're going to sell out in most places very quick just because it's a Dunk and people going to try to get a quick flip on them, especially the resellers. But as you can see, I have actually looked at the resale market and the price on these has actually dropped under retail. So if you really want to cop these and you don't want to pay the retail price, you probably can actually go to StockX or either on eBay. You might be able to get these for a lower price, maybe that $100 price tag, which they should cost. But you know, that's just me. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. This was a Nike Dunk Low Argon re-released from the ones that came out back in 2001, in which, like I said, that quality on those were better, way better than these. Size-wise, same normal dunk size, true to size. They fit true to size. If you have a wide foot, maybe you can go up half a size, but I would stick true to size on these and you should be good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.